15.
GRR. Roger, GRR.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6. Liftoff.
Roger, clock. Clock start flight, Roger. Thrust to all engines, Roger. Clear the tower. Roger, we got a roll program. Flight 5 up. Roger, roll. Roger, I see. Plane safety is nominal. Roger, RSO. Roll is complete and the pitch is programming. Roger, roll, roger, pitch. Stand by for 1 Bravo. Mark, 1 Bravo. 1 Bravo. Our flight lane safety is off in the water. Roger, RSO. Roger. Okay. Kevin, relieving. Roger, how you, booster? We're going to flight. Good at 1 minute, Captain. Oh, 11 Houston, you're good at 1 minute. Roger. Fido, flight, how you? Looks good, flight. GMC? Looks good, flight. Ecom? Looks good, flight. Roger. Flight, how you? We're go flight, Surgeon. We're go flight. Roger. Stand by for mode 1 Charlie. Stand by for mode 1 Charlie. Mark, mode 1 Charlie. Staging, standing, booster. Go. Fido, go. Guidance, go. Good for staging, Captain. All 11, this is Houston. You are go for staging. Confirm inboard cutoff. Confirm inboard. Roger. How you, Econ? We're go flight. GNC? We're go flight. Roger. Stages. And ignition. Cut off. Ignition. Roger. Trajectory verified. Roger. Thrusters go all engines. Looks good, Captain. 11 Houston, thrusters go all engines. You're looking good. Hi, Roger. You're loud and clear, Houston. We got first step. Roger, we confirm. Second by step. Roger. Tower's going. Roger, tower's going, Fido.